Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can filter your direct messages on Instagram. So I am currently on the direct messages bit right here. And to filter my messages, I'm just going to select this sort of bit right here, as you can see. And I don't have a lot of messages because I'm using like another account, so it won't really show anything. But if I click on it, there are three options: inbox, unread, and even flagged. And inbox is just going to show you the same thing. Unread, it'll show unread messages, but I've obviously read all of mine. And there is also the flagged options, and you can see from primary, general, and even your message requests. And that is basically how you can sort of filter messages on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!